And it teaches young men to lose their own identities, so they exist their entire lives being somebody they know they aren't. Because of uno and no ignorance to the issue, because of uno and no addition to the problem.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
Welcome back, viewers. If this is your very first time to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell. So once we upload a video, you will get the alert. So people, Devin da Dakta has sparked controversy on social media, and people, everybody is up in them feelings about it because people are spoken out. Like just for example, today, Footer Hype come out and Footer Hype spoke against the photograph. This photograph, to be exact, yes, and people are saying, yo, no, Devin da Dakta, you're going the wrong way. No, a lot of us are saying that maybe it is a music video that is on the way, but still persons are saying no, you're just gone wrong, brother. You need to stay to doing real music instead of going the wrong way if you try and get clout and the people just not having it. No, people, the controversy is sparking so big that even Dalton Harris got involved and spoke out in defense of Devin, and this is what Dalton Harris had to say. Let's take a listen. I don't have any fundamental problem with a message or someone flirting with me, gay or straight. My issue is with the folks that say homophobic things all over social media, then are still in my inbox. Make your mind up. Shows me that most of these people that are so hateful are not even sure of themselves. You can do anything unlike guys or girls. It's 2019. But when you chastise a way of life, then it's doing the very thing you chastise behind closed doors. Then it's disgusting. And kind of funny too. No, Dalton did not stop there. He went even further by saying there are a lot of unsure men in Jamaica who don't know them preference because enough of them in him inbox are sending him all kind of weird kind of messages, see? And you would have never believe say the way how them a burn out him or even Devin. You would have never think say yo them are the ones who are in him inbox on a regular. Let's listen some more. Being straight and being homophobic are two different things. Being a hypocrite and ignorant are stupid as hell. It seems no one knows themselves enough to kind of take a step back and assess what comes out of their mouths and if it's aligned with their beliefs. Cause the truth is, you don't even have to say anything about any of them in the first place. I know countless gay and straight people. You'd never hear any of them say any of this about each other. That's security in yourself. And knowing who you are. Pick a narrative. Kinda weird, something to think about. Check some of the biggest artists, concerts, brands, and other avenues of media outlet sales or marketing or funding or just way of life in economics and human infrastructure. LGBT people are everywhere. Are you going to stop wearing the clothes or accepting the cash or any of that? The big phone brands, shoes, trends, even social media companies, are you going to pretty much live in a cave because of ignorance and the uncalled for one at that? If you are reading this and feel any kind of way, go get your Bible, but don't even bother message me cause I care zero. Stop being ignorant and stupid and violent and most of all, hypocrites. So we could take a listen to what Dalton have said now in reference to Devin da Dakta situation, because Dalton kind of can't understand, because remember Dalton got through something similar to that a couple months ago. So let's take a listen. A friend of mine who is an artist is shooting a video and did something outside the norm of dancehall. The comments I saw were duplicitous and from men who were chastising him for presumably being gay. I guess that some men who can tell just by looking at someone are better yet your mind just love people's bedrooms. But the funny part is a few of the guys that are so violent with their comments have inboxed me in a very flirty way. I obviously never responded cause I'm not into that. You would swear they were either gay or a woman by the messages they send me multiple times of a sexual nature, both subtly and aggressively. Saying this to say, is being a hypocrite still that easy? Not to pry into your bedroom as you do others, but how the F do you sleep at night being such a two-faced idiot who couldn't be more ignorant and stupid on both accounts? One, for thinking it's your business what they do, and two, for being such a hypocrite when you yourself is aggressively trying to pursue me, a man. who is far from interested. It was at least 10 of them, and God, Jamaica want go on down there. What is this? The end? Peeps, there you have it from Dalton Harris as far as the whole Devin da Dakta situation go. And I wonder who. Really who and who and who. Cause the man say at least 10, you know, I jump in a Dalton inbox. I wonder who them. I wonder who. People comment in the comment section. Make me know what you think about this revelation where Dalton Harris bring forward, seeing about the man them who are jumping in inbox and kind of send him some weird kind of message. Make me know what you think in the comment section, Zane. But moving away from that, just a little bit, Zane. Still on the topic of Dalton Harris. Dalton Harris spoke out against child abuse. Because you know, Dalton has always been one way is not for that, you know. Him not like when people or children get abused. So Dalton spoke out recently. I want to take a listen to what I'm going to say in that video. Yeah.
Greetings world, Dalton Harris here. And on behalf of Sugar and our campaign to end sexual violence against all children, you know, I don't think it is right. You have lots of kids out there that are currently being abused and they don't feel like there's a platform to speak their truth, because if they speak their truth, then they'll be made to feel like they're either lying or they deserved it in the first place because they were either bad kids or so. When I make them feel like them deserve the look a wrong touch, and that's not right. You know, sometimes I them own uncle, you know, sometimes I them own people them with their own them supposed to take care of them and support them and secure and, you know, protect them. But the people never feel them because of them are committing crime, you know. So, and most of them feel guilty because they don't understand them right. They don't feel like they have a right, so they will feel as though they're doing something wrong. And when you feel afraid and feel like you're at fault, then you continue to allow yourself to be abused, and that will become your new normal. That mess up the kids' their mind and their mentality when they go out into the world, because it teaches the young girls to accept less than they deserve from men, and it teaches young men to lose their own identities, so they exist their entire lives being somebody they know they aren't. Because of uno and no ignorance to the issue, because of uno and no addition to the problem, because of uno where you touch a little picnic them on and know you shouldn't do it. But not the problem. Speak up and speak now. Teacher, best friend, a guidance counselor. Talk to the police, brother, boss. So when you go to the police station, if you feel like them now go escalate the thing, talk to film boss. You understand? Social media, find somebody, walk go TVJ. You understand? Something for do. Dalton Harris. Sugar, big up yourself, a good thing you do.
Children are the future, and we have to definitely protect the children. We have to love and appreciate the children. And if you know somebody out there who are hurting the kids, remember, you know, kids are innocent. Some of them can't even talk. Some of them not even reach the age to talk. And some of them not even. Sometimes the children are living in fear when time people are fooled with them. So we have to look out for the children. Them. Yes, I say protect them 100%. So I agree with Dalton Panda case there. Yes, I say we have to look out for the children. And sometimes kids, when you go to somebody as Dalton say, and that person they not help you, go to somebody else. Find a teacher, find a friend, find a parent, find a police, find a station, find anybody where you can talk to and go to them. And if you go to one person and that person not do enough to help you, go to somebody else. Because we understand there are some parents out there where them children come to them and them still don't take heed and listen to what that child have to say. You understand? Them try if you not believe what the pitney have to say, and sometimes in some cases even tell the pitney them straight up say a liar. Tell and run them way. You understand? Parents like them, who forgetting a problem too. You understand what I say? That's why I rate Romeo and Virgo song, You Dirty Man. Yeah, yes, I say, and the part where the man say, mother, you have to listen to your daughter. Yeah, that part there, me like the most out of the song. Watch out, man, people. This has been another one. Yo, me a sweat. You know I get hot. Watch out now. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. Talk to me down in the comment section. As long as your comment makes sense, then we will definitely respond once it makes sense. Yo, we need to done that video because me I get hot. Watch out, man. Yo. Anyway, people, one love. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. It's Unstoppable TV. Gone left on the zeal. And guess what? Go subscribe to Unstoppable Live, the live channel where we do some live show at night time. See it? I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.